The UK's introduction of the Electronic Travel Authorisation (ETA) system represents a pivotal development in its immigration policy. It aligns with global trends in pre-screening mechanisms for international travel. Similar to systems like the United States' ESTA and Canada's ETA, the UK's ETA aims to enhance border security while streamlining the travel process for eligible non-visa nationals. This article explores the rationale behind the ETA, its application process, categories of travellers it affects, and its broader implications for the UK's immigration framework. Background and purpose. The ETA system is part of the UK government's efforts to modernise its immigration controls post-Brexit. As free movement with the European Union ceased, the UK sought to ensure robust security measures while maintaining accessibility for legitimate visitors. The ETA allows pre-screening of travellers who do not require a visa, identifying potential risks before arrival. This preemptive measure strengthens border security, facilitates smoother entry for low-risk travellers, and aligns the UK with international best practices. Who needs an ETA? Initially, the ETA requirement was rolled out for travellers from Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC) countries, including Qatar, Bahrain, and the United Arab Emirates. By January 2025, the requirement will extend to all non-European non-visa nationals. By April 2025, European non-visa nationals will also need to comply. This change significantly impacts travellers from countries like the United States, Canada, and Australia, who previously enjoyed relatively unrestricted entry for short-term visits. Application process. The ETA application process is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. Applicants need to access the online portal. The application is completed through an online system managed by the UK Home Office. Provide biographical and travel information. Applicants must submit personal details, passport information, and their travel plans. Answer security questions. The process includes a series of questions aimed at assessing the traveller's background and intentions, such as criminal history or prior immigration violations. Pay the fee. A nominal fee of £10 is charged, making it accessible compared to traditional visa processes. Upon successful application, the ETA is electronically linked to the traveller's passport and remains valid for multiple entries over its duration, typically 6 months. Travellers are advised to apply well in advance of their travel date to account for potential processing delays. Scope of use. The ETA is applicable for short-term visits. This includes tourism, business meetings, and family visits. Transit. Travellers passing through the UK en route to another destination. Creative worker concessions. Non-visa national creative workers sponsored for engagements under 3 months can also use the ETA, provided they meet additional requirements. Considerations for specific travel scenarios, travellers via Ireland. The Common Travel Area (CTA) arrangement between the UK and Ireland complicates ETA use for some travellers. Those entering the UK via Ireland may need additional permissions, such as remote clearance, to ensure compliance with UK entry rules. Creative workers. Creative professionals travelling under the creative worker concession must ensure they do not use e-passport gates and instead present themselves to a border officer with their Certificate of Sponsorship, COS. Implications of non-compliance. Failure to obtain an ETA when required can result in denial of boarding or entry at the UK border. Travellers should also be cautious about using automated e-passport gates without appropriate permissions. This could lead to misclassification as a visitor, rendering them unable to undertake planned activities such as work. Broader immigration policy implications. The ETA system marks a significant shift in the UK's approach to border management. This is important for European nationals who previously travelled visa-free under freedom of movement agreements. It reflects a broader tightening of immigration controls post-Brexit while attempting to maintain openness for genuine visitors. Conclusion. The UK's ETA system is a critical tool in balancing security and accessibility in the post-Brexit era. It requires proactive compliance from travellers but promises a more streamlined and secure travel experience. As the system is fully implemented, travelers must stay informed of requirements and ensure timely applications to avoid disruptions. By understanding the ETA's processes and implications, individuals can better navigate this evolving aspect of UK immigration policy. For more information, get in touch using the details on screen.